You don't need to spend $500 on KitchenAid. You can get away with this body very easy. Good morning, my dear friends, it's Oksana and welcome to my vintage kitchen. Today, in this video, we're gonna unpack my new mixer. Well, I kind of unpacked it already and washed it, I'm not gonna lie. And we're gonna make a blueberry muffins with it. I never had a standing mixer for main reason. I hardly ever bake and I don't bake bread. And the standing mixer from KitchenAid cost around $400–500. This one was only $138 on Amazon. Plus Amazon gave me $30 coupon. I don't know why, from company, or I just accumulated some points. I really don't know why. I'm gonna leave you a link, guys, below for this mixer. I checked the reviews for this mixer. The reviews are very good. So $100. You cannot go wrong, right? What's included in the box? We have mixer with stainless steel bowl, which is like very good quality, very durable. The mixer itself, it's very stable. It's not moving. It has a suction, see? It has the suctions on the bottom. So you have a lid so it doesn't splash all over the kitchen. And as any other regular mixer, it has beater, whisker, and a dough hook. Whisker and a dough hook made out of metal, which is good. The whisker has a plastic part on top, but still I don't see a problem with this. Of course, if you're a professional baker and you're using it a lot, I would say probably you should go with more professional standing mixers. This one, for my needs, works perfectly. I'm really happy with my purchase, and let's start doing some muffins with it. So for this recipe I'm gonna use a beater. It's very easy to put on. Okay, we start by lining these paper bake cups in the muffin cups. We put it aside, combine flour, baking powder and salt in a mixing bowl. Excited. We start from the soft butter. We beat it for 30 seconds.
Add 1 cup of sugar to butter. Beat until well combined. Beat in eggs, milk and vanilla. Mixture will look slightly curdled. Stir in flour mixture just until moistened. Butter should be lumpy.
Okay, our batter is ready. What we do now, we add our blueberries. Make sure you wash them and you remove all the bad ones, because really today in supermarkets you can buy wherever you want and wherever you don't want to. Then gently with a spatula you just incorporate your berries, and that's lots of berries. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of sugar, add cinnamon, combine together. That's gonna be our topping. Our blueberries are all incorporated. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna fill our cups almost until they full, almost until the top.
sprinkle your muffins with sugar and cinnamon mix. And now the only thing is left. We bake them 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes.
Oh my gosh, it smells amazing, looks amazing. Let's open one and see how does it look inside. The best part of the video?